I'm going to be reviewing the HeimVision HM205 smart Wi-Fi security camera with Alexa. Stay tuned. How's it going, guys? It's Jeff Lepard from jefflepard.com. On this channel, we do do-it-yourself videos, product reviews, vacation videos, and much more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So I'm just about to open it up now. You're going to see what's going on and what is packed in this box. So we have our user manual. And of course we have our power adapter and USB cable. That's going to be used to power the camera. And of course we have our camera, very nicely packaged in here, I must say. And we'll open this up. So that's the camera there. And of course it's got full range of motion you can control with your phone. We'll get into that later in the video. And also you can use cloud storage, or you can use an SD card, which goes in just there. And I'll get into that later as well. So very nice looking, very small, nice looking camera. We're going to test it out and see if this is something that I think that you guys should purchase. I think it will be. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description if you want to read more about this or you want to purchase one of these. So the key features of this camera, it works with Amazon Alexa. It's a handy two-way audio. You can talk back and forth with it. Support hotspot connection. Support the microSD card, as I showed you on the front of the camera. And there's also a cloud service available. Intelligent motion detection, intelligent tracking, and intelligent human shape detection. And some of the features on this security camera, it's got a full view of your home with a 110-degree wide view angle, 350-degree pan, and a 55-degree tilt. So you can put the camera on a bookshelf, mount it to your ceiling, mount it to your wall, and that's what the installation screws are for. If you wanted to do that, that's what this plate would be at the bottom for. It's 180 high definition video with night vision. It delivers crystal clear video up to a range of 33 feet. Low light or absolutely no light. It's a great indoor camera, and you can keep an eye on your baby, your pet, your nanny, an elder at any time from anywhere using your smartphone 24 hours, 7 days a week. Optional cloud service available. It's 72 hours of free storage at no extra cost, and or you can just use your own micro SD card, and it will support up to 128 gigabyte card. This camera works with Alexa. It's really easy, just by connecting the 2.4 gigahertz, and then you'll just follow the step-by-step instructions for that, and it's really easy to use, and it's compatible with that as well. So if you open up your user manual, you'll see that it shows you the camera, it shows you your little bit of information, the speaker. There's a reset button on the back that's handy to know during setup. So the first step is you need to download the app into your mobile device. There's two ways of doing that. You can either go, for Android, you can go to the Google Play Store, or for iPhone, you can go to the App Store. Or you can scan the code and it'll take you through the process that way. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to be using a Google Pixel 2, an Android device, so I'm going to go ahead and just manually download the app from the Google Play Store. So after you download Pix Plus from the Google Play Store, or Pix Plus-EN from the App Store, you're going to open that up. If you don't have an account, you're going to have to create an account using your email and a password. It's going to send you a link. You're going to click on that link, and it's going to activate your app. So what we want to do is just going to put the phone down for a second, and I'm going to peel the tape off of the camera. That's to protect the lens. We've plugged the USB into the wall, and now I'm ready to plug it in the back. Okay, so we'll go back to the app here. So right now I'm going to go to the top right corner of the screen, and you're going to see a little plus. I'm going to hit that. So add the device. I'm going to select intelligent camera. And then we've got a couple different options. I'm going to do the easiest option, device adding by scanning the code. So I'm going to click that. So right now it's asking that I plug it in, and I've already done that. So now on the back of the camera, you're going to see a reset button, and you got to press and hold that for 5 seconds just to reset the camera. So I'm holding it.
Reset success, please wait, reboot.
Okay, the camera is going to reboot.
Camera start.
Okay, so the camera's starting. So now you're going to click this little circle here. If you finish the above steps, click connect to the network. So I've done that. Now I'm going to hit connect to the network. Okay, so I've got to select my network.
Wait for connection.
So I've just put my Wi-Fi password in. Gonna click next. So now you're gonna see a code. Your camera is wants to read the code, so I'm just gonna show the camera the code.
Wait for connection. Network connecting, please wait.
Okay, and we heard that. And we're gonna click I heard the beep. And we're just waiting.
Wi-Fi connection success.
Okay. You can see the camera moving now on its own.
Camera is online.
Still doing its thing. Okay, so it's just booting up. Okay, so we're going to name the device, and we're just going to call this, for sake of the video, we're going to call this living room. And we're going to go start experience. And then we'll just click on that. Okay. And there I am. And you can hear the audio through the camera. The next is to place the camera where we're going to place it. And then we'll check out the functionality of it. To test the camera, I'm going to be using my SD card. There's two options. You can use the cloud service, or you can use an SD card, or you can use both. This camera supports up to 128 gigabyte SD card. So to insert that, I'm just going to take the camera, I'm going to just gently pull up on it, and you'll see that there's a slot to insert the SD card. So the top is going to be facing down. So I'm just going to turn that around, and I'm just going to insert it. Like so. Okay, and the main page of the app, I'm just going to go through the app just to give you a general idea. So we've just installed the SD card. Now if you wanted to actually get to that, you would just click on Mine, and you're going to see a couple different options here. You're going to see Cloud Album, and then there's a little video I made there, and you can access that. You can see Local Album, Cloud Album. That's if you want to use the cloud. So we're going to go back here, and let's go to device, and we can show you different settings that are offered onto the device here. So here you have a whole list of different things you can change. Device name, time zone you can enter in. We've got your microphone, alarm tone, night vision is set to automatic. You can change up your the motion of range. We've got motion detection on, humanoid detection, so let's turn that on. And device storage. You can also reboot or remove the device in this app as well. There's also intelligent tracking, which I'll show you about. If there's movement in the room, it'll tend to follow the movement in the room, so we'll turn that on for the purpose of this video as well. And let's open up the camera. You'll see a little circle here. This is what you can use to actually control the camera itself, and it'll move and you can see the picture changing. And you can see the camera moving there. Down below, right now it's currently in standard definition. When we hit that, it'll change to high definition. And you can also tell by the amount of kilobytes per second that are being transferred. Okay, and that's us there. There's a little menu down there. You can also do live capture. You can record. And you can make a video there. And as you can see, it's recording. And we can also remove the camera around while it's recording. And it'll say the video successfully stored. Okay, so I'm just going to test out the intelligent tracking human detection. So I'm just going to move around a little bit and see if this camera is following me, and it is. You can see on my screen here. As I move around the couch here, it wants to track me. So that works. If you want to get some more information on this Wi-Fi camera, or you want to purchase one, I'm going to leave a link down below in the description for you to do that. So right now, I'm just testing out the camera in a room that's completely dark. I can't see anything, but the camera can see me. So this is how the camera looks in the daytime. It is quite clear, and it captures everything quite well. Now I have the camera facing the hallway direction. My front door is here. You can capture everything behind me, someone coming up and down the stairs, or pets, and the hallway to the living room as well. Great place to put the camera, and you can capture everybody. So right now the lights are completely turned off, as I had a little difficult time going down the stairs there. It's pretty dark, and I can see the night vision lights on the camera are activated, and you can see me fine. So right now we're in the backyard. If you want to keep a close eye on a pet, or you want to monitor something, you can do that with this camera. The picture quality is really good, and it's great because you can move the camera from place to place as long as you have Wi-Fi connection. So right now I'm back in the backyard, and it's completely dark. I'm about 20 feet away from the camera, and you can still see me. After reviewing the HeimVision HM205 smart Wi-Fi security camera, I would strongly recommend you guys getting this for yourself. Great for security, great to keep an eye on things. It's really mobile. You can plug it anywhere. As long as you have Wi-Fi connection, it'll work perfectly. Day and night picture, absolutely perfect. So I'll leave the link down below once again in the description if you want to get one of these for yourself or you want to get some more information on this. Just want to thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, bash that bell to turn notifications on for all of our upcoming videos, share the video, like the video, and leave a comment down below. And we'll see you next time from JeffLepard.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.